Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my review. Today we are going to talk about CES 2020 day 1, that is January 7th 2020, and everything you need to know that was announced in the day 1 of CES. There are a lot of tech we have mentioned in this video, so to keep it short, we have not talked in detail. So the tech you like, you can find the link in the description so that you can read in detail about that. So first one in our list is Sony Vision S electric car. Sony is also in the electric cars race. Vision S packs 33 sensors including radar, lidar and cameras. Sony worked with Bosch, Nvidia and Qualcomm for the prototype, and it's not sure that whether we will see the car in reality or not. So the next we have is about Hyundai S-A1 flying taxi. When Sony is in the electric cars race, Hyundai is going a step ahead of everyone and making dream of flying cars come true. It is hoped that we will get the product in the market by 2023. Hyundai has partnered with Uber to provide the S-A1. Now talking about the LG's rollable OLED TV. LG unveiled the production version of its first flexible OLED television. It spans 65 inches, does 4K, HDR and full connectivity, and it looks gorgeous. It's straight out of the future. Now talking about the Royale's smart speaker. It's the same company which launched the foldable smartphone for the first time in the world. The new smart speaker by Royale is pretty special. The tube-like Mirage smart speaker works with Alexa just like Amazon Echo, but instead of being wrapped in a fabric, it has a touchscreen display. We do know that it has 7.8-inch 1920 by 1440p AMOLED flexible screen that wraps around the display. The screen can display time, and we imagine images, photo, messages and different things as well. Next up, talking about the Alienware's UFO. Alienware unveiled a new portable gaming PC called UFO, and it wants to be the switch of PC. The UFO is full-fledged Windows PC. If you wanted to, you could hook up a monitor, mouse and keyboard and get some work done in it as well. But the main objective of launching the Alienware's UFO is to compete with the Nintendo Switch. So you can see a better performance than Nintendo Switch in this one. Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Fold is the next to talk, and it is one of the most anticipated laptop which is launched in the CES 2020. Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Fold set for release in summer 2020. The X1 Fold isn't an idea, concept or the prototype. The device we saw on CES 2020 is essentially what Lenovo will sell. It sets a new standard for foldable PC designs and offers a sneak peek at what tomorrow's foldable PC will look like. Now talking about Faraday Future FF91, the sheer shock of 1050 horsepower, the instant acceleration of an electric motor that can take you from standstill to 60 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds. So much of this car is not known right now, so I have mentioned only the fact which are out or which company has told in the presentation, and you can obviously read everything in detail in the link in the description. Samsung Q950TS 8K TV, the name is yet not finalized, so we are talking about the model number. It's the star of the show, and that I'm calling it for two specific reasons. First one is it is an 8K TV, and second one is it has a bezel-less free infinity screen. Now talking about Sero, which is also from Samsung, it has an integrated motor that rotates the screen to match the orientation of the material on a smartphone. Like if you are watching a video on Instagram, the Sero will adjust it in upright position, and while you stream from Netflix, then it will keep it in the horizontal position, so no human interaction is needed. Now talking about another TV from Samsung, which is Frame TV. Samsung OLED 4K TV looks like and double is an art frame. This model introduces two new sizes of 32 and 75 inches. And finally talking about the last TV from Samsung, which is the Royale. Samsung revealed that advancement in manufacturing has allowed it to introduce 5 new sizes of its modular micro LED 8K Ultra HD screen, which are 83, 93, 110, 150 and 292 inches, which come together to form the Royale. These will join the 75, 146 and 219 inches configuration. It's not lacking on software front either. The Royale supports HDR10 content as well. Now talking about Samsung's Neon project. Samsung's new Neon project is finally unveiled. It's a humanoid AI chatbot. To sum it all, a Neon is a virtual individual who can go anywhere we humans can go and do almost any of our tasks as well. So now talking about the OnePlus Concept One smartphone, which was hyped from quite a time from now. OnePlus announced its first concept phone known as OnePlus Concept One. The Concept One features a special glass that uses an electric current to tint the display of the rear cameras, making them disappear when the cameras aren't in use. The glass is opaque and black. When it's time to launch the camera, the glass turns transparent and the camera are visible. I don't know what is like practical importance for this concept, but this sounds quite futuristic as it. Now let's talk about Toyota City. Toyota wants to build its own smart city, which they call as the Woven City, and the Woven City is a collaboration with Danish architect and will break ground in 2021. So now let's talk about AI Sun Block. It showcased an LCD based sun visor that uses facial recognition to recognize your eyes and block the direct sun rays coming into your eyes while you are driving a vehicle or something like that. So these are the main things which I mentioned about the CES 2020 day 1. If you think I missed some of the cool tech, then don't forget to comment so that other people will know about it. And this is all for today, and I will also be making a video on day 2 if I get quite a bit of good response in this one. So this is all for today. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.